Hey there, Robert here, coming at you with a color wheel for Photoshop. Now, Photoshop doesn't already have a color wheel built in. That's why these developers created a color wheel just like the one in Coral Painter. Now, this is called Colors, and it's an Adobe extension everyone has been waiting for. It's available for both Mac and Windows, and you can use it on both Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Flash for both CS4 and CS5 Plus versions. Now, this is in beta stage and is free to use right now, 0.9.0. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's go to Window Extensions, Colorists, and here I'm going to click Start and see what happens. Alright, so here we have a pretty basic layout. We have our foreground and background color, which you should already be familiar with. We can swap these, and you notice when we swap them, they do swap here in Photoshop. We have our 6 different color schemes to choose from. So right now we're in the mono scheme. We can go into the complementary scheme here, and you'll notice these 2 little circles that are opposite of each other, which are the colors, complementary colors. So for example, if I choose green, it looks like pink is the color that'll offset the main color and will work well with each other. We also have the Triadic Scheme that we can go with, which is a little more advanced, and if you're used to working with a color wheel, you know what this is. We also have a few others, such as this Tetradic Scheme, this Analogic Scheme, and this Accented Analogic Scheme. So those are our 6 color schemes. Down here, we have our 2 different color modes. Right now we're at our full color mode, and we have our basic color mode, which is very basic for people like me. Kind of reminds me of the game Simon. I might be playing that here in just a little bit. So that's the layout for Colors. We have our other little tabs we can choose from, or you can enter the serial number, updates, etc. Now you'll notice down here it says 1 day left. So I'm assuming version 1 will be coming out tomorrow, and you'll also see this button that says buy now. Well, Colors is going to cost you a few bucks, nothing more than $10 for a single app license, as the developer says, which is definitely not bad for this extension. So if you work a lot with colors and you're looking for an easier way to select colors, or maybe you're used to using a color wheel, go ahead and check out Colors. Try it out today. See if you like it, and maybe you'll love it. Now, I'm not being paid for any of this. I just found this, and it seems to work well. If you know of any helpful Adobe extensions, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. I'd love to hear those. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about Colors, you can check out the link in the description at the site robertsproductions.net. So I hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Ah!